What's your date of birth? Like your happy birthday?
Pineapple?
Huh?
Is the
Yeah,
pineapple?
you're a piece of shit. Yeah, what? You're a piece of shit? Is
Are you?
that what you said? Did you say you're a piece of shit? Because I agree. You're a piece
Yes,
of shit.
I did.
Oh, poor baby. Piece of shit. Go away now.
What?
Get off my phone.
I did get out my phone.
Go. Go. Get fucking lost, loser.
Hmm.
You're still there. Go.
I'm here.
Don't you have fucking somebody to scam or something, you fucking idiot?
Oh, are you fucking idiot?
No, you're a fuck.
करने की है.
Hello?
Hi, my name is Joe Wilson and I'm calling from Healthcare Benefits. How are you doing today?
Hi, Joe Wilson. My name's Officer Hannigan. Your name came up in a case just recently. Do you have time for a few questions?
Yeah,
Where were you on the night of November 1st, sir?
I with my girlfriend.
You were nowhere near the Empire State Building?
Yeah.
Okay, because we found your fingerprints on the weapon of a gun that was used in a
Oh my
murder
God.
near the Empire State Building. Your name's Joe Wilson, right?
No, my name is Donald Trump
Oh,
and
okay,
I'm your.
Donald Trump. Okay, just a few more questions. Uh,
Yeah,
next, next to the weapon, we found a few
yeah.
items. Do you happen to be missing a few items? Is there anything you've lost recently?
What kind of item?
We'll be asking the questions here, sir. Please answer the questions.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I lost my things items recently.
Oh, I knew it. I knew it. Well, sir, we're going to have you come down to the police station, uh, fingerprint you. We'll be putting you in. Your bond will be set tomorrow. Um,
Uh,
is there?
I'm one. Please, can you listen me?
I'm listening to you.
I'm your father. Okay,
Oh
so
my
don't be
God.
over smart. Don't.
वो भी घर जा रहे ठीक
Excuse me.
Hello.
है मम्मी वहाँ पे है
Hello, can I speak to Thai?
Are you fucking scamming in front of your kid, you piece of shit?
Ma'am,
What a piece
motherfucker,
of
you
fucking
asshole.
shit. You're a piece of
Suck
fucking
dick,
shit.
mother.
Hi, my name is John. How are you doing today?
No, you're Elijah. What the fuck? You don't get changed.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. This is Brian. How are you doing today?
I'm very good, Brian.
Well, sir, the reason of my call is let you know about new additional benefit 2025. So I
Well,
believe
that's
you have
interesting. You see, I had got a phone call myself about a dirty scammer exposing himself in a grocery store. Is that you? Were you exposing yourself in a grocery store? I certainly hope that it was not you, sir, because. Hello?
Yeah, hi, this is Nancy from Healthcare Center. How are you doing today?
Hi, Nancy. We just got a call that a woman was exposing herself in a grocery store. Was that you? Hello?
You're speaking with Susan.
Oh my gosh, you sound wonderful. Hi there, little one. What's going on?
This is Annie, and I'm calling you from
Annie,
the fin.
you sound way too nice to be a scammer. You should stop doing this. You're in Delhi, right?
Sorry?
You're in Delhi, right?
No.
Where are you?
May I speak with Susan?
Who do you want to speak with?
May I speak with Susan?
You're really focused on this scam, are you?
Hello.
Hello? It's so fucking loud, you loser. What a fucking chump. Hi. Hello. Oh,
Hello. Hi, am I speaking with Mr. George?
who's this?
Okay, hi. This is Eva calling you from Visa Security
Ava.
Department.
Ava,
Yes.
there's been a
Yes.
murder. Everyone is a suspect.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello, is
Ava.
it Justin?
There's been a murder. Where were you yesterday? I suspect it was you. Did you kill the rich
Who?
uncle? My rich
I'm
uncle.
not.
Somebody killed him.
No,
It's a mystery, and we have to solve it. Where were you
no, I'm not
yesterday?
Eva. I'm
Oh
not
no,
Eva.
what's your name? Do you know where Ava was
Bella.
yesterday? Bella,
No.
I suspect that it was Ava.
Who is
I do.
Eva? I don't know who is Eva.
Ava is the killer, I suspect, but it could be you, Bella. Repeat after me. I did not kill that man.
I did not kill that man.
Oh, you kind of sound guilty. Are you sure? Are you sure you didn't do it? Now I can't decide between Ava or Bella. One of the two of you is the murderer.
Sir, let me tell you, this is not
Do you own a firearm?
or murder. No, I'm calling you from the grants department.
Oh, grants. It was over a grant. Man, I knew this kind of stuff went deep. What, was he trying to give you a donation and it wasn't enough, so you decided to kill him? That's disgusting.
What?
You.
Hello.
Hello? Hello.
Hi. Yes, am I speaking with Mr. Malcolm?
What's your name?
I beg your pardon?
What is your name?
Okay, my name is Eva, sir.
Ava? We still
Yes.
suspect that perhaps you played a role in the murder. Where were you last night? Do you own a firearm?
Hello?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking with Mr. Lowe?
Is this Bella again?
What?
You thought you could escape the law, but here I am again, ready to bust you for trying to murder someone. Why'd you do it?
I'm sorry?
Why did you do it?
What? What did I do?
Why? Murder. What was the motive? Tell us where the drugs are. You're going to prison for life, lady.
What
They're
are
going
you
to eat
talking
you for
about?
breakfast. You are a suspect in a murder trial.
Oh my gosh. Are you drunk?
Yes. On love. Are you in love?
You are probably drunk.
I'm
Or weird.
probably drunk on love. I'm both of those. I'm drunk, weird, and in love.
Are you in love?
But we shouldn't distract from the fact that you are a suspect in a murder case.
What are you talking about?
What country are you in? India?
A Philippines. What is wrong with
You're
that? What is wrong with you?
Oh, you're Pakistan?
A Philippines.
You're a Philippine?
Mhm.
I don't know what organs have to do with anything, but fallopian tubes can stay out of this. We're talking about a murder trial. Was it over that? Were you going to have his baby and you needed him dead? That baby will
What are you
never get
talking?
any of the money. You will never get any of the inheritance. You're going to go to
What
prison
are
for
you
many
talking
years.
about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about, you siren of lust.
Do you even know my name?
Yes, Bella.
What the heck?
Yeah, I know. Is the
And
pollution in
what's your
Delhi
name?
getting to your head?
What's your
Mine?
name?
I'm Officer Hannigan.
No, I don't see.
You don't see?
Mhm.
Are you in Pakistan?
I'm saying I'm from Philippines. What
I
is
think
wrong
you're
with
in
you?
Pakistan. Hello?
Yeah, hi, this is Andrew, and I'm calling you from Subsidy Fund Department. So, how are you doing today?
Andrew, do you swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Andrew, do you swear to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you?
Hello?
Hello? Hear
Hello,
ye,
is this
hear
Kim?
ye, court is now in session. Do you swear to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sorry?
Where were you on November 1st? Hail Mary, full of
Hello.
grace, how can I help you?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for Michael Williams.
Speaking.
Michael, this is Tony, and I am speaking from the Possible Files.
Tony!
And this,
Hey, man. Good to
yes, yes.
talk to you.
Oh, yo,
I missed
man,
you.
you
How's
missed
things in
me too?
India? Du, du hast mich. Du, du hast, du, du hast mich. Du hast
Hello?
mich gefragt. Du hast mich gefragt.
Hello?
Der teure Steile, Reckensteile. Ja! Nein! Ja!
ওই জানিস
Nein!
ভাবি কাছে মজা কথা বুঝিস Hello?
For the charge of murder, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Hello.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you guilty.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, is this Raymond Kong?
No, this is Captain Kickass. What do you want?
Sorry, wrong number.
No, it's not. We're friends. Let's be friends.
How?
Well, if you hang up, you're just going to go try to scam someone. So why don't you just chat with me and be honest for a bit?
This is not a scam.
It is a scam.
No,
Why else would you be calling me from India?
because it's a friend from USA.
Oh, so you're calling me from America?
Mhm.
So we're already one lie in then, are we?
No, I mean it's a brains from USA.
Oh. Isn't there some other job you could do?
No,
Can't you learn to cut hair? Do
No,
nails,
I'm not good at anything.
mow a lawn,
I don't have money to
Uber,
train them.
DoorDash.
Goodbye. Thank
You
you
could
for
become a
that.
cop.
So, goodbye.
Why don't you become a police officer?
How?
Oh, isn't there like training you guys have in your country for that?
We have, but I
Join.
don't have money for that. I don't have
What
money
about
for
join the
to join the police.
join the military?
For that also, I don't have money.
You don't need money to join the military. They pay you.
No, they don't
Yes,
pay
they
us.
do. Oh, you think people just go and join the military for free?
No, they
Oh.
have to take the exams and
Oh.
like
You
training.
mean you have to work for it rather than just steal from innocent people who are dumb?
No, I'm not still for innocent people. You bitch.
You are.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, am I speaking with Donna?
Donna. Yeah. She's dead.
This is.
Did you kill her?
Hello.
Hi.
Am I speaking with Terry?
Am I speaking to Eva? Witnesses state that they saw you with the murdered victim just before the body was found. Admit to it. Admit it. Say you're guilty.
Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off.
Say you're guilty. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun,
Dun 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 dun
dun,
dun
dun,
dun
dun,
dun
dun,
dun dun
dun,
dun
dun.
dun.
In New York City, there are criminals.
You New York
Some of
City,
them are
they are
scammers.
criminals. Some of
These
them
are their
scammers.
stories.
These are the story.
Dun, 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 dun,
Dun dun
dun,
dun dun dun.
dun. Diddle-oo, 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 dun,
Dun
dun,
dun dun. I
Ma'am?
know you are real. Yeah, I know you are real.
I am real.
You
Are you
cannot
real?
fool me. Yes, I'm real.
Look at us, a
So
couple of real people.
So why are you trying to fake me? Why are you trying to fake?
Because I love you.
Oh my God! How can you love
I
me?
think we're meant to be together.
Oh my God! You're so sweet. I love you.
Oh, good. You sound a bit like a boy.
Yeah, I'm a lady boy.
You're a lady boy?
Yeah. Will you like to have some fun?
Depends on what your definition of fun is.
Mhm. Do you want to try? Right now?
What's your definition of fun? Tell me.
Do you want to try right now? I cannot express. I cannot express you. First, you have to know it.
Okay, tell me all about you. Where are you from? Delhi?
Hi, my name is John. How are you doing today?
Your name's Elijah. You're a 25 to 27-year-old man.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hi, this is Nancy from Healthcare Center. How are you doing today?
Oh, good work, Nancy. Don't break character. Stay in character.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Hazel and I'm calling you from Easy Money Express. Am I speaking with Paul Dawson?
Oh, no, they're dead. Actually, we're suspecting someone of murder. Was it you?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, this is Annie calling you from Easy Money Express. Am I speaking with Rowdy Tarsclair?
Sorry, they were maimed in a lion attack.
पैसा भन्यो? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi sir, this is Fedrin and I'm calling you from the U.S. Financial Subsidy Department. So, how are you doing today?
Very good, thanks.
Landinda. Okay, sir. Answer well. The reason of my call today is to inform you that your name and number has been selected to receive a free subsidy of $2,000 for which you do not have to pay anything and you do not need to give any personal details. All right?
Oh, wow.
Okay, sir. And the best part is you are under no catch, no cost, and no obligation. And this subsidy money is going to be delivered to you tomorrow afternoon at your door. Stay by the UPS department in your street mailing address by form of card. And sir, this is free of cost. You never have to pay it back. All right, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Answer. So this time this money is coming from healthcare department. That's why my healthcare
Okay.
advisor will ask you 3 to 5 qualifying question. But don't worry, you have qualified for the money. I am going to give you the question as well as the answer, so that you do not have any problem while receiving this money. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir. And before that, we are having a certain age bracket. So, can you please help me out with your age? So, how old are you at the moment, sir? Sir, what's your age, sir?
68.
6'8"?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I have a certain age bracket. It's 19 to 64. Okay.
Oh, I'm 64.
You are 64?
Yeah.
And what's your date of birth?
What do you mean?
What's your date of birth? Like your happy birthday?
My happy birthday?
Yes.
What?
Okay, then thank you.
Sorry.
Hello.
Hi there, kiddo. How you doing?
I'm the kiddo.
You're a little rascal,
So funny.
right? What are you, like 12?
No, I'm 31.
13?
31.
You're 31, so you know better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Stop calling people. Get a real... Hi there.
Hello. Good afternoon. My name is Daniel Parker. How are you doing today?
Daniel Parker, you dumb fucking idiot. Fuck off.
Same to you, sir.
Go away.
Hi, this is Sam. How are you doing today, brother?
Oh, I'm good, Sam. How are you today?
I am fine. Thank you so much, Sam. Oh, brother, actually, reason of this short
May
call
God bless you with perfect hair and shiny shoes.
Okay.
May God bless you with good vision and dry feet.
Dry feet. Oh, that's great.
May God bless you with many children.
Okay. God bless you with.
God bless you with a shiny new car and tasty food.
Oh, yes, great.
May God bless you with bottles of wine and horseshoes. And may God bless you with hot chocolate and bananas. May God bless you with the foresight to see the future.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Can you hear
What do
me?
you want? What do you want?
I am looking for Rocio Hernandez.
Oh, he was just bitten by a rattlesnake. He's dead. Sorry for your
And you
loss.
are?
I'm the
And you are?
rattlesnake.
Or the rattlesnake? Okay.
Zimzalabim bamba, zeldo, zeladem.
What is it? Virginia?
What did you say?
You know.
What? Are you naked? I'm naked. Are you wearing clothes?
Hello?
Hi, I'm naked.
You
Yeah. Isn't that fun? Are you naked?
No.
Oh, well, you should get naked.
¿Qué onda? ¿Qué cosa es?
Hello?
Hi.
Sir, my name is John and I'm calling you from United Healthcare. How are you doing today?
You're in Lahore, right? We talked about this before.
No, sir, I'm not in Lahore.
Oh, what city in Pakistan are you in?
Sir, do I sound like a Pakistani?
No, I'm not assuming that you're a Pakistani person. I'm telling you where you are.
Where I am?
Do you want me to guess, really? Well, you
No.
wouldn't tell me the truth. You wouldn't tell me the truth even if I got it right.
If you got right, then I'm gonna tell you the truth, okay?
No, you won't.
I will, sir. That's my promise.
No, yeah. Your promise is about as good as your script.
Pardon?
In other words, I wouldn't believe your promise anyway. So
you
no.
don't believe in our promise?
I know that in Lahore, Pakistan, there's a few buildings that do Medicare predominantly.
Hmm?
There's Rafi Group Plaza.
Rafi Group?
Yeah.
I don't, sir, wait. The one thing you have to clear that I don't live in Pakistan. I don't live in Lahore, okay?
Oh, where are you?
I'm in Amanador, okay?
Did you just say America?
Amanador.
Where?
Amanador. Amanador. This is a short village in California.
You're an idiot.
Like you?
Yeah, like me.
Oh.
You're an idiot like me, except you steal from people, and you feel okay about it.
We don't steal anything, sir. Do you think that we steal something?
Who pays you?
Okay. By the way, tell me who you vote for. Trump or Harris?
Who pays you, Henry?
Oh, my name is not Henry, okay? My name is John, okay? Jonathan.
Who pays you, John?
My boss.
Is his name Faraz?
Who's Faraz?
Faraz Alam?
No.
Tahir? Hello? Hello?
Hi, this is John. How are you doing today?
John, would you like to sing a song with me?
Alright.
Alright, you go like this. A whim away, a whim away, a whim away. Okay?
No,
go.
Listen. You know Bella Chow?
Who? Fei Long Chow?
No, Bella Chow. You like a song of a Bella? Yeah, Bella Chow.
Okay.
Alright.
So what do you want? How do we sing this?
You know, Bella Chow, Bella Chow, Bella Chow. You see?
Yeah.
Bella Chow?
How about Captain Kickass is the best?
Oh my god.
Don't forget Captain Kickass before the rest. Now you sing it.
Oh,
Captain Kickass is the best.
Oh my god. You are
Captain
singer?
Kickass. Captain Kickass is the best.
No, Captain Kickass is your father, motherfucker.
Hello.
एक्सेंट उसका बिल्कुल बुरा वाला था। पहले मैंने काफी देर
Hello.
चुगल लगाए रखा कि तू क्रिकेट देखता, कहता क्रिकेट देखता हूँ। तो कहने लगा कि
Oh.
सच्ची सच्ची बता किधर से है। मैंने कहा पाकिस्तान से। हाँ मैं भी पाकिस्तान से। उर्दू शुरू हो गया। हाँ तेरा तो एक्सेंट एकदम गुरु वाला है। हाँ मैं शुरू से इधर ही रह रहा हूँ, तो इसीलिए मेरा एक्सेंट इस तरह बना हुआ है। तो पता नहीं किस सिटी का उसने नाम लिया है, मुझे याद नहीं है। हाँ यही मेरा व्हाट्सएप का। हाँ तो फिर पहले मैं वो बोलने लगा कि आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान। मैंने कहा आई कॉन्ट बिलीव यू है। कि क्या प्रूव कर, कैसे मैं प्रूव करूँ कि मैं पाकिस्तानी नहीं हूँ। मैं तू उसको दो तीन उर्दू के जुमले बोल दे। कहने लगा अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं भाईजान। क्या व्हाट्सएप पर आओ।
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, my name is Daniel. How are you doing today?
Daniel, my brother, how are you? May God bless you with
I'm doing
happy wishes and smelly feet.
all right. Same to you.
May God bless you
Actually,
with a horn
all
growing out of the back of your head and hairy tits.
all right. Actually, the
May
reason
God
of my
bless
call.
you with
Hello.
hello.
Yeah, my name is Daniel. How are you doing today?
Daniel, may God bless you with genital warts and new jacket.
All right. God bless you too. Actually, the reason of my short call is let you know you may qualify to get some new additional benefits
May
like
God bless
hearing.
you with Apple. Hello.
A very good day to you. My name is Travis and I'm calling you from U.S. Financial Subsidy Department. How are you doing today?
Travis, did you have some Valium for breakfast or something? Are you okay?
No? What happened, sir?
You sound like you're hiding in a closet. Come out of the closet.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. It's about time. Are your parents mad because you're gay?
Mm-hmm.
Or do they know you're gay?
Yes, sir.
They are mad that you're gay?
Yes, sir.
They wanted grandchildren? No sisters?
Yes. No, sir.
Oh, damn. Well, unlucky for them and unlucky for you.
Okay, sir.
Oh, well.
Yes,
That's
sir.
about as far as my sympathy goes.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah. Have you thought about, like, getting a real job?
No, sir.
No?
No.
This is fun for you?
Yes, sir.
What game are you playing? What are you doing there?
No game, sir.
I don't know. What's that noise in the background?
I don't know, sir.
Why are you so quiet? What's up? Are you trying to hide from your parents because you're a dirty scammer?
No, sir.
So why are you so quiet? Speak up.
Okay, sir.
Come on, you're stealing from people. You gotta have some voice behind you.
No, sir.
There it is. What are you doing? Are you held at gunpoint?
Yes, sir.
How many men?
One, sir.
One guy has you held at gunpoint making you scam?
Yes, sir.
That sounds weird. Does that sound believable to you?
No, sir.
You should go for the gun. Go for it. Make a jump right now.
Okay, sir.
Go.
All
Hurry.
right, sir.
You
Okay,
can get
sir.
out. Hurry.
All right, sir. Okay, sir.
Did you get him?
Yes, sir.
Is he dead?
No, sir.
Is he unconscious?
No, sir.
Does he suspect that I'm involved?
Yes, sir.
Oh no. We're gonna have to wipe the room. You're gonna have to kill everybody.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Okay, sir.
No evidence left behind.
Okay, sir.
This is your job, Agent.
Alright, sir.
Pee your pants.
Alright, sir.
Alright. So. Wait, can you get out? Can you get out with some money, maybe?
No, sir.
Make a run for it. Go for it.
Alright.
Start running.
Okay, sir.
I can't hear you running.
I'm running, sir.
Are you?
Yes,
I can't hear it. I don't hear feet stomping or anything.
Okay, now do you hear that?
Okay, now jump and hit that box. You'll get a flower, and then you'll have you can throw fireballs.
Is it really, sir?
Miss, watch out for that turtle. Gotta jump over that turtle. Okay. Okay, now back, A, B, back, up, down, left, right.
It's down, left, right, box X, O, triangle.
You know what we need to do? We need to get ourselves a game genie.
Uh-huh.
Then it gives you all the codes you've ever needed and more.
Alright, sir. I don't have time, okay?
You don't have time? Yeah, infinite lives. I mean, that's infinite.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, clean the crime scene up.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clean?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need you to punch yourself in the face 4 times. Make sure you give yourself a black eye so it looks real.
I've punched it, sir, 2 times, 3 times.
There you go.
4 times.
Harder.
No, it's
harder.
already painful.
Harder.
It's pain.
It's not painful enough. It'll never match the pain you caused. Harder.
What pain did I cause to you, sir?
No, not to me. To others. You caused a lot of pain. You're probably responsible for at least one person losing their life on this planet.
No, sir, no.
Yeah. If you're a scammer, how old are you?
I'm 16.
You're 16 years old? No, you're not.
I am, sir.
Well, what are you doing calling out to people trying to scam them?
I'm not a scammer, sir. First of all,
yeah, you are.
Then
why are you calling me?
I'm not from the tech department, okay? Did I ask you about anything technical? No, right? We are not from the tech department. I'm calling you from the health insurance department.
Ooh.
Out here, we provide you the health insurance.
Oh.
Yes.
Cool. That can't be a scam. There's no way that could be a scam. It's not possible.
There is 2 differences. One is scam and another is a genuine call. Scammer, they call you for your technical department, okay?
You okay, man?
Yes, sir.
Does it hurt to lie like that? Or are you just used to it now?
I'm used to it, sir.
Okay. What's your real name?
My real name is Ronald.
Ronald?
Yes.
Is that spelled like Ronald?
No, it's Ronald.
Ronald.
Yes,
not
sir.
Ronaldo?
No, Cristiano.
Here's a question. Which team do you like better in cricket, India or Pakistan?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. That country is run by an army, isn't it?
Exactly.
Are you held at gunpoint by the army right now?
I don't give a fuck.
You give a fuck.
I'm from
Oh,
India,
good for you. What, Calcutta or up like near Kashmir area?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Sam. How are you doing today?
Sam?
Yeah?
It's your friend, Captain Kickass.
Yes.
How are you doing?
I am fine, thank you so much. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm working. Is it a busy day over there?
No. Okay, brother. Actually, reason of this short call to let you know we provide some additional benefits. So, do you have
John?
Medicare Part and B?
Henry?
Yeah.
John? What's your name, John?
No, Sam William.
Sam? If we hop onto Facebook, will I find the company you work for?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I thought
Okay.
so.
Okay.
But, I mean, there's lots of scams in Landmark Plaza. So honestly, I'd have to have boots on the ground, walking up and down the stairs, trying to figure out who wears what.
That's good.
Yeah,
You are a hacker?
that's okay. Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, that's great. Can you... Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you... You are a hacker?
Yeah. I can't figure out
Oh,
what floor you guys are on, though. I think you're on the 5th floor, but...
5th floor. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's great, sir. Sir,
But I don't.
I am big fan for you. I am big fan.
Oh, you're a big fan. I appreciate that.
That's okay. I am my dream. I make hacker. Okay.
I hope so. Yeah, you do that.
Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye bye.
Don't you work too hard.
Bye.
Yes.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Zach Roja. How are you?
Zach Rogers, you're the first contestant on today's game. Are you ready for the question? What color is the sky? Oh, your time's up, Zach Rogers. Would you like the... Hello?
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Zach Roja. How are you?
Zach Rogers, you're the next contestant on Who is Your Father? 10 seconds on the clock.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Can I speak to Mikhail?
No,
Burgess.
he was shot by a chimpanzee with an Uzi.
You are a big fat liar.
I don't know how that Uzi... Hello?
Hi, is this Jordan Mitchell?
Killed by a crocodile with a baseball bat. I'm sorry for your loss. Did you know the victim? Can you tell me where you were on November 3rd? Would you be willing to come in and take a lie detector test? When was the last time you had a shower? Could I have the clothes you were wearing on November 3rd, please? Is your mom free tonight? Can you ask your mom if she's free tonight?
Yes,
Hey, Scammer's mom! Is she? Oh, she is? Okay, can I hang out with her? Is that cool?
Yeah, if I can hang out with yours.
Sure. What I need you to do then is
Mr. Jordan.
you're gonna have to die and see if you can find her on the other side.
She is no more, by the way.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Mr. Jordan, you have a great day, alright?
My name's not Jordan. My name's Captain Kickass. You can call me Dad, though.
Oh.
Yeah. Fuck
And
off
my
now.
name is Captain Dick Sparrow.
No, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Hello? Oh.
Hi, am I speaking with Play?
No, they hurt themselves in a chainsaw accident.
Hello.
Hi there.
Yeah, hi. My name is Daniel. How are you?
Daniel, may God bless you with hairy feet and chewy gums.
Sir, this is annual enrollment period, and you
May
will be
God
able.
may God bless you with ice cream cones and popsicles.
Okay, that's
May
good.
God bless you with a new phone, but then you accidentally drop the phone and break it on the first day. May God bless
So
you with the lesson of not getting to own everything you love and losing something. Hello. What is the reason for this call? Hello?
Yeah, hello. Hi, this is Jason. How are you?
Oh, I'm good, Jason. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much for asking. Actually, well, the reason of my call.
Jason, you're yelling.
I'm not yelling,
Stop.
Jason. Sorry for hear
Jeez.
that.
Can you try talking quieter?
Actually, I'll say, well, the reason of my call is to let you know.
Little quieter.
Oh.
Hello? Oh, we got a
Yeah.
breather. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
My name is John, and I'm calling you from United Healthcare. How are you doing today?
Oh, John, good to talk to you. May God bless you with paper cuts and rusty bed springs.
Pardon?
May God bless you with the common cold and genital warts.
So you are blessing me, or you are trying to give me?
No, I'm blessing you. May God bless you with a wonky eye and ringworm.
I got you.
May
So,
God
Mister.
bless you with uh, clubfoot
So,
and
oh, okay,
leprosy.
okay, okay, okay. I can hold more blessing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you want to see? You want to know the reason why I'm calling, or you want to hang up?
May God bless you with foresight.
Hello.
Hello. Hi there.
Hi, this is Annie calling you from Easy Money Express. Am I speaking with Susan Grecian?
What?
Am I speaking with Susan?
No, she died.
This call is from Visa Credit Card Department. We have received two.
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you to being connected with Visa Security. How can I assist you?
Hi. What's your name?
Rosemary, are you Mr. Morris?
Yeah, Jim Morris. Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Morris, this is Rosa speaking from the Visa Security. How can I assist you?
What are you wearing?
Your mom clothes.
Ooh, that's kind of weird.
Hello?
Hi there.
Yeah, hi, this is Nancy from Healthcare Center. How are you doing today?
Hi, Nancy. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking. This short
Oh,
call
may
is.
God bless you with apple bottom jeans and boots with fur. Hello? I will break into your thoughts with what's written on my heart. I will break! I'm so sick, infected with where we live.
Hello?
Let me live without this. Hello? So you'll shut up, and stay sleeping with my screaming.
It's all gold and Bitcoin.